Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 alt+shift not changing language. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Typing, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click Language Bar Options. Click Advanced Key Settings, click Change Key Sequence. Check Left Alt and Shift, click OK. Make sure uncheck Hidden and also uncheck Show the language bar as transparent when inactive. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.